Ready, start. Subsequently, appellants filed another application before the learned single judge inter alia seeking permission to appear in the DNB final examination scheduled from 16th December, 2021 to 19th December, 2021. Full stop. The learned single judge, by his order dated 8th November, 2021, again rejected the prayer of the appellants for any interim relief. Full stop. Thereafter, during the pendency of the writ petition, wide order dated 13th April, 2022, learned single judge permitted the appellants herein to fill up the forms for appearing in the DNB final examinations. Full stop. Against the said order, respondent number 3 filed LPA number 348/2022 before division bench of this court. Full stop. By its order dated 24th May, 2022, a coordinate bench of this court stayed the operation of the order dated 13th April, 2022 passed by the learned single judge. Full stop. It is also relevant to note here that taking into account the stay order passed by the division bench by its order dated 24th May, 2022, learned single judge by order dated 31st May, 2022 held that no interim direction could be granted in favor of the appellants herein. Full stop. The stay order passed by the division bench continued and ultimately the said appeal was disposed of as infructuous by order dated 9th November, 2022 by noting that the writ petitions had already been decided by the learned single judge by a common judgment dated 11th October, 2022. Full stop. This court also notes that the notification dated 22nd January, 2018 issued by the central government, wherein the central government de-recognized 36 out of 39 diploma courses held by CPS, Mumbai, was never challenged by respondent number 4, Mumbai. Full stop. Further, the decision of respondent number 3/NBE as recorded in the minutes of the meeting dated 24th December, 2020, that CPS candidates will not be allowed to appear in DNB final examinations till clarity is provided by the ministry, was again never challenged by respondent number 4. Full stop. Similarly, the communication issued by Ministry to respondent number 3/NBE wide its letter dated 30th April, 2021 stating that FCPS qualifications are registrable qualifications only for the purposes of practice and not equivalent to MD/MS courses, was also not challenged by respondent number 4, Mumbai. Full stop. Recognition of a course and its equivalence to MD/MS qualification are two separate concepts. Full stop. Recognition and equivalence are not the same. Full stop. Merely because a course conducted by CPS, Mumbai was granted recognition does not mean that it has attained equivalence to MD/MS degree. Full stop. This aspect is especially important in the light of the fact that it is the consistent stand of the NMC as well as the central government that the FCPS qualifications have never been considered as equivalent to MD/MS courses. Full stop. Further, it is also relevant to note that the notification dated 22nd January, 2018 issued by the central government again recognizing 6 FCPS qualifications clearly mentions at the footnote that the said qualifications shall not be treated as the recognized medical qualification for the purpose of teaching, whereas, MD/MS qualifications are treated as recognized medical qualifications for the purpose of teaching. full stop.